Why does it seem like pennies are the dirtiest of all currency? Well, actually, they might just look that way because pennies, they turn dull due to oxidation. Over time, pennies form a layer of copper oxide on the surface, which actually protects it from further corruption. Much later, pennies will form copper sulfate, carbonate, and chloride salts, which will give the pennies a green color. You see, the outside of a penny is copper. Just like the Statue of Liberty, which is made of copper. Well, 130 years ago, she was shiny and brown, just like pennies. Well, today she's duller and green. So, how do we clean up these pennies then? What's the best way? We could do an experiment with pennies of varying condition, salt, about a teaspoon per penny, white vinegar. We'll put the white vinegar in small containers. We will cover the containers, and some paper towels to keep things from getting too messy. Because I'm using a scoop that is half of a teaspoon, I'm putting 2 scoops of salt in each container. I can put in as much white vinegar as I want. The pennies I picked were kind of a different condition. For example, A is newer and cleaner and shinier, B is very old, and C is very corroded. So let's plop our 3 pennies in 3 different containers and cover them up so the vinegar doesn't evaporate, because this process is going to take some time. One of the neat things you can watch while you're waiting is that the dirtier and more corroded the penny is, the more it will make a fizzy effect. Now that 30 minutes have gone by, let's see how they look. A is even brighter and shinier than it was before. B has a little bit of a different color, and C, wow, quite a bit of that corrosion has already come off. But I think we still have more work to do. After 2 hours, A is even shinier, B is even browner, and C, almost all that nasty covering has come off. After 6 hours, we see even more improvements, and we can actually see Abraham Lincoln there. So this is A, our control, over time. A close-up, and you can see how it gets brighter and shinier. Same thing with B. That one's a little blurry, but in these other 2 you can see how his face is more pronounced. And C, the corrosion slowly melts away. Maybe that is a little Abraham there. Here it is again. Neat thing about B is that you can actually make out the date is 1984. And let's see it again. Okay, so what happened in our experiment? Well, washing the pennies in a vinegar and salt solution removes the layer of corrosion. This is also called patina from the pennies. This exposes the brighter copper underneath. So now it's your turn to try it at home. Check out the other videos on the Blount County Public Library channel. Like and subscribe.